Hey guys, Cipher Tech here. Welcome back to the video. Today, I want to share with you some interesting event that happened to my iPhone. All right, guys, welcome back. Thanks to my OG subscribers and thanks to my new subscribers holding me down. Now, as we all know, I updated my phone to iOS 16 and I have been uploading videos on each beta update as they drop. Now, the latest beta update to drop was the beta update 7. I updated my phone to the beta update 7, but before I did that, something interesting happened with beta 6. Now, my phone, in beta 6, or was it beta 5 that came out, the battery icon changed, and you now have battery percentage being displayed on screen. So now you can choose to toggle between seeing your battery percentage or seeing the actual bars. Now, guess what? When the battery percentage is on there, right, you will think that the bar will actually go down or go up as the battery drains or goes down. But that's not the case. You will still see your battery like it's full, and you have to constantly look closely at the actual number so you don't get tricked. Now, this is what happened to me that is so shocking, right? My phone was at 55% and I was gaming with my phone. Now, this is a phone that nothing has happened to my phone since I bought it last year. It's been clean as a whistle. I mean, I maintain my product and my devices very, very well. Now, my phone was at 55% and I decided, okay, you know what? Let me play some Call of Duty with my phone. So I play Call of Duty with my phone, and then when I checked my phone, my battery was at 35% when I was done playing the game. Now, guess what? My actual battery was at 0%. I had no idea, but that's neither here nor there. This is the interesting part. My phone died and refused to come back on. I plugged it in, it didn't come on, nothing. It didn't respond, nothing at all. My phone was just dead. So for a full day, I'm wondering what the hell is going on with my iPhone. I called Apple, I called Best Buy. I want to go there and get my phone fixed. I thought maybe my battery was, I don't know, dead, or maybe my charging port had an issue. But I'm like, my phone never failed or nothing happened to my phone. So for the entire day, my phone was just dead, meaning the percentage of that battery was actually false. So the battery percentage was showing me a false number. And meanwhile, I was using my phone like nothing is happening. And because in addition to that, the battery does not actually show you if the bar is full or is at a low bar or nothing. It just shows you the number. So my phone drained and died. And not just died, it simply just never woke up. So how I fixed the problem was, I said, you know what? I have a wireless charge. If my phone doesn't charge wirelessly, then that means my phone is completely dead. So I had to go and plug it in and charge wirelessly, and then miraculously my phone came on and I was able to plug. Now, why do I say this? I say that I don't know if this is fixed with beta 7, but I think one disadvantage of this iPhone battery percentage is it will occasionally deceive you, and if you are not careful looking at the actual numbers of the battery, trust me, more than likely your phone will lie to you. So you might have 0% or 10% or 9%, but your phone will show you, let's say 33%, or you might glance at your phone and see that the bar is full, and you might just think, oh yeah, my phone is still good, I can still use it, because you did not actually glance at the number. So I think Apple needs to fix that or change that. Even if the percentage shows, at least let the bar also display what the actual percentage is. So that way people can really just glance at it and immediately get the information they need at a go. So, I mean, it's just crazy to me. I don't know if my software, I just don't know what happened, but my phone just completely went off. But anyway, since I upgraded to beta 7, since then it hasn't happened because I haven't let my phone go below 50%, because now I don't even trust the battery anymore. Even though since that happened, my phones last long, it still has the same phenomenal iPhone battery that lasts a long time, but still I just don't trust it no more. So pretty much when my phone is down to 55 or 50% or maybe 40%, I quickly put it on charge. So anyway guys, that's my video. I just want to rant in this video and just say my experience with that beta 6 update. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. I will try to do a video on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. I'm actually working on getting that phone right now. The phone is not yet in stores. As a matter of fact, I called Best Buy about it, and pretty much they said the phone is going to be out. I don't know. It's supposed to be out by the time the video is already up, but pretty much before it gets to stores, it'll arrive in stores around September 2nd. So as soon as it comes out in stores, I will go get it. And as soon as it drops on Amazon, I might just order it from there as well. So that's pretty much the entire video for today. Hopefully, Apple does fix this issue, or maybe do a little bit of tweaking to the update when the final iOS 16 drops. But that's it for this rant video. I hope you guys enjoy the content. By the way, shout out to all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. I want to say thank you for subscribing and welcome to the army of Ciphers. And thanks for all the subscribes, thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments. With that said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Hopefully that video will be on the Z Fold 4. And with that said, see you guys. Until then, stay safe, stay frosty, and Cipher Tech out.